this is Chantel with WTI. My husband has quite the guitar collection, so having stands and things to hang his guitars on is very important around here. The zebra wood floor stand has been a great addition to his collection. It's always in use and has held up great, and we've had it for several years. The tiger grain of the wood is so beautiful. It's very sturdy and holds his Martin in place really well, but he also uses it for his Fender bass and other acoustic guitars, so it's nice that it fits a variety of different instruments. I love that the stand easily folds up so that he's able to take it with him when he travels with his guitar. It's also nice that the stainless steel arms are adjustable and the screw caps are easy to use on the back. The arms are covered in a nice padding to add extra protection to your guitar. It was super easy to assemble and we've been really happy with it and definitely recommend the purchase. It has been a great little stand, but that's just my point of view.